Drumlin, a low oval mound or small hill, typically one of a group consisting of compacted clay molded by past glacial action. Drumlin. It strikes me that this video needs a little bit of context. This is Dexter Drumlin in Lancaster, Massachusetts. It's a 311-foot tall drumlin that sits on about 38 acres. It's owned by the Trustees of Reservation. The Trustees of Reservation control about 116 properties in Massachusetts. In total, they conserve about 25,000 acres. I'm a member, and all of their properties are open to the public. Now, let's get back to the video.